Alright, our games on Tuesday at 2 p.m. is the Philippine Army going up against Ateneo de Manila, followed by the 4 p.m. match of the Philippine Navy going up against the Maynilan. Those are our games on Tuesday here in the arena. Let me turn it over to Anne for another report.
Thank you, Ian. This may already be the last set or the last chance of the Philippine Air Force to actually extend the game to a 5-set match. And so Coach Ariel actually told his players to make sure that they give it their all, give it all their best, and most especially to give more focus than they had in the first 2 sets. Now, for the Philippine Navy team, though they're up by 2 sets, Coach Nene still had a few reminders to her team, and she said that they should continue to have their fluid movements inside the court, and it's important for them to get the win today para hindi sila mahirapan sa standings in the next few games. Ian and Mozzie?
Alright, thanks, Anne. 17-9, Mig Laborte getting another point via a quick play. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's, V-Lee.
It's actually the 11th point of Mick Laborte. Ross is having 14, Bautista with 12, and Cruzada with 5. Such a team effort coming from the Philippine Navy. As Bautista, even it was a open hit, it looked like a quick one sa bilis ng palo.
Ang ganda ng approach eh. Full swing.
Bilis ng palo. So, hindi
Great approach.
Lobo and Nene Bautista, another point for her name. On the other side, it's Maizo topping everyone with 9. And Vivas with only 4. De Ramos and Semana with 3 each. So, yun yung kakulangan, really, on the offense ng Air Force.
Kulang na kulang.
Kulang na kulang. Again, with the absence of Sherry Makatangay.
Aiza Maizo drilling it home.
Aiza trying her best to fill in those shoes of Sherry Rose Makatangay. Really, she will really need a lot of help from her other teammates. Ang laki talaga ng void na naiwan ni Makatangay.
Let's see who will set this one. Recio. Oh, Mick Laborte from that corner to the other side.
Beach volleyball na naman na nakikita natin dito kay Mick, but it has been effective.
And Serafica will get a well-deserved rest.
As Joan Bator-Carpio now enters the court.
Shakey's, if it's one family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Semana, 21 excellent sets. Calma with 8. Serafica on her own has 28 excellent sets.
Wow. Now into the net, and that point going to the Air Force. Timeout for the Philippine Air Force. Let's listen in.
Lapit lang natin. Wala naman yung bilang kalayo. Okay? Kung ano lang yung kakayanin pa, bigyan natin. Okay?
Balik kaya kayo na depensa niyo? Ako mag-save.
It's a 10-point lead being enjoyed by the Philippine Navy.
Mountain to climb for the Philippine
yeah,
Air Force.
you're right.
Plus, there are 2 sets down in this game. Is Nene Ibanez trying to get in? Wala daw siyang number. Ano ba yun? Gusto niya yung pumasok. Wala namang number. Paano yan?
May tawag dyan eh, sabotahe. Inside job.
We want to see Nene play.
And 2 touches called on Joan Carpio as she tried to set it up to Prochina. Back set to Mick.
Chance for Air Force to set it up.
There's the defense of Prochina. They go back to Bautista.
Oh, and Nene Bautista was just too much for Vivas.
21-12. And Laborte will be up to serve. Vivas on your screen hasn't really, gotten into the scoring mode that we're used to seeing Vivas.
Yes,
whenever she's in the front line, yeah.
Well, actually, a new guest player here for the Philippine Air Force. This time, Maizo trying to salvage whatever's left here in the third
Ganda
set.
ng approach.
And you cannot have only one blocker
Yeah.
for Aiza Maizo.
Especially in that position
Yes.
at the back. Prochina trying her best to get that one-handed save. Navy's turn to call a timeout.
Receive lang, tapos ang patay na yan, oh.
Guys, hindi yan matatapos ang set hanggat hindi siya 25. Huwag tayo mag-stop. Ha? Ganun isipan natin. Tapos pag may papalo, cover tayo. Huwag natin baguhin yung pattern ng depensa natin. Ganun pa rin. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Kahit sinong ipasok natin dyan, ganun pa rin ang galaw natin. Ha? Stop ka dyan. Receive mo na kasi okay? Receive.
Tama naman yun. Yun na nga importante sa lahat. Yung defensive pattern, again, we would always emphasize that in our coverage. That, yan kasi, isa lang ang maligaw dyan. Parang ano yun eh, chain.
Yeah.
Diba?
Damay-damay na.
Damay-damay.
Good serve from Maizo. Prochina hits it into the block. Resho is there to defend. Vivas gets blocked.
Still a good ball. A free ball, though, given to the Navy.
Prochina drops it, and Vivas had her hand covering up that attempt from Prochina.
Well, tama si Coach Nenny Ibanez kanina. Sabi niya, hanggang 25 to, hindi pwede mag-relax as Roses commits that error, swiping the ball away. Of course, the Philippine Navy needing 4 more points before they can sail away. As Sarabica now returns. Joan Budor Carpio.
Well, a bit cold, really cold from off of the bench. Itong si Joan Carpio. Now they go back to Serafica. Let's see if she can restore some order. She does right away.
And Nene through the blockers of the Philippine Air Force. Wala nang ilag-ilag. Through na lang.
Oh, sige na, sabi niya. Now it's her turn to serve.
Ooh, and poor first ball on Aiza Maizo. Nene Bautista gets that ace.
23-16. Final timeout of the match.
Kay Wendy, kaya ni Wendy dito yung locker niya doon. Ha? Humingi ka.
Sige na.
Huwag mo na receive. Bigyan mo sa kanya. Palawin mo, ha?
Kuha ka na yung isang
Bay, tulong ka muna sa receive. Tulong ka rin muna sa receive. Bali, apat kayo dyan. Ha? Sa maganda receive, patay pa tayo dyan. Habol pa tayo dyan.
Gusto natin, miss. Game! That's all!
But you know, partner Sherry Vivas also, you know, you have to understand that this is her first game with the Philippine Air Force. She's replaced Mandano, who is in China playing beach volleyball.
Wow.
So, hindi talaga walang time to blend the Air Force team.
Meron ding ano dito, China, ito si Pro China.
Ay.
Si Anata. Tawa-tawa si Ann sa mga joke.
O, di ba? Forever siyang China. Ganun. Vivas, Madating.
Oh, Wendy Semana.
The attack point.
This is not yet over,
Oh,
folks.
yes.
And it's just a 6-point lead right now. Leads to the highest 10 points here in the third set. Wendy will be serving. That's a good serve.
Suroses.
Ooh!
The running.
De Ramos. A lot of guts to hit it.
Prochina on the down the line. Hit. Takes that point. Ito na yung mga veteran moves na sinasabi natin. Kala nyo, ha? Kahit medyo umangat niya na konti sa floor, but the wrist action is there.
Still there, yeah.
And that vision, where to put the ball, yung mental toughness will always be there.
Nice save by Prochina. Look at her roll.
Diba? Parang ano lang yun eh, Garfield lang eh. The mind is willing but the flesh is weak. Pero yun, inabot pa rin, diba?
4 touches on the Philippine Air Force. The Navy hold off the Air Force in 3 sets. Our shaky shake and play. Good coverage, but of course not enough on that sequence. Alright, it's the Philippine Navy going up in the standings as they get this 3-set win over the Air Force in straight sets. And of course, our Shakey's best player of the game is with Anne Remulla.
Thanks, Ian. I'm here with our Shakey's best player of the game. Of course, she scored 15 points and she's not new to us all anymore. I'm with Suzanne Roses from the Philippine Navy team. Sue, 3 sets lang yung laban nyo ngayon. Mukhang nadalian kayo. Ano sa tingin mo ang naging advantage ng Philippine Navy over Philippine Air Force?
Para sa akin, ang naging advantage kasi namin yung offense eh. Mas marami yung variation ng offense namin compare sa kanila. So, tsaka yung depensa namin, yun yung matibay talaga dun sa team namin, depensa.
Alright, and aside from that, syempre I'm sure a lot of people are excited to see you ngayon nasa ibang team ka, nasa Philippine Navy team ka ngayon. Ano yung may expect ng mga sumusuporta sa inyo in the coming games?
Siguro mas more aggressive pa, tapos mas improve pa namin. Kung saan yung weakness namin, yun, improve namin siya. And yung kung saan kami malakas, i-stay namin.
Okay, very well said. And because you're Shakey's best player of the game, syempre meron kang gift from Shakey's. And bukod dyan, you can also thank yung mga sumusuporta sa team ninyo.
Thank you dun sa manager namin, kay Captain Medina and Captain De La Cruz. Thank you sa family ko, Roses family, Melansan family, and Sanisla family sa Dumaguete and Rosales family. Thank you.
Alright, congratulations once again. Ian and